United Kingdom, the reigning and defending heavyweight champion of the world, Dynamite, Daniel Dubois. WBC, WBA, WBO, heavyweight champion of the world, he is OLEKSANDR USYK. God bless you.
For the second time, the two champions in the heavyweight division will clash again. IBF heavyweight world champion Daniel Dubois versus unified and undisputed heavyweight world champion OLEKSANDR USYK. The fight will take place at Wembley Stadium, Wembley, London, United Kingdom, with just hours to go. It's worth noting that the two first faced off last year, with OLEKSANDR USYK emerging victorious, but the win was surrounded by controversy. Therefore, in their second bout, it's guaranteed to be an action-packed fight. Who do you think will come out on top this time around? Will Usyk prove once again why he's the champ, or will Dubois shock the world? Let us know in the comments. But before we get to the main event, let's revisit some of the most epic moments from their careers.
Really closing this gap with real, middle left good shot. Not that time though, and that I think will be good.
Мимоволі починаєш задумуватися, а як би виглядав? Зараз є нагода добити. Нагода є, але поки це не зустрічає.
Тщательно совершенно был, и еще.
Здається. Не видно.
Йорду Мильке не понравились эти разговоры. От Брюера и левый боковой договорился. Брюер. И это похоже на нокаут. Отличный удар, очень хлесткий, акцентированный по печени. Вылетает белая полотенце. Good shot to the body there from Dubai. He's kind of neglected the jab to the body, but the right hand as well to the body. That was a lovely shot. He's wobbled up the way as Brand tries to lean into it. That may work for him.
He's in survival mode at the minute. Trevor Bryan. There's a great shot from Daniel Dubois.
That's it.
He's face down on the canvas. The count. And Daniel Dubois is the WBA regular heavyweight champion.
That left hand to the body. Yeah, Witherspoon's not really giving you much on that. The only punch that hit that punch downstairs. Like that. Claudia Trejo's is in Usyk's corner. Claudia for Usyk, and now some success. Usyk trying to keep his comportment, but he is fascinating. Still kind of think that. Witherspoon backed into the corner, right hand. Usyk punching Witherspoon, but yeah, I agree with you, DK. It's not for heavyweight. We expected more power to try to hurt Witherspoon here. 30 amateur wins, sometimes contends us to win, but that hurt Witherspoon. And he goes back into the... Yeah, no, that's it.
From Dubois, and Manduo is taking them bravely, but you wonder how many more he can take, and he's gone. I think very, very strong. Oh, goodness me, there's the right hand, first big punch. Stand up, Paul. Trying to dig the punches in. Left hand gets through the white and yellow of OLEKSANDR USYK, who has definitely stepped it up dramatically. Usyk's quality, because that would be dangerous. 11 knockouts, 15 wins. Usyk, and you can see Tony Bellew wearing down, still looking for that right hand, still Gallion, still Grady. He's really closing this gap with real, middle left good shot. Three lights out. Dave Caldwell straight in the ring. I think he's going to stop it. The opening bell. So Carter caught early, and he's looking to put him away again in this opening round, and he goes down for a second time. Cook is looking carefully, and now, that's surely it. Massive right hand. Looks as though Dutch is about to go the same way. Massive right hand, and this time it's all over.
In the opening round, but body shots the contest. He was 17-0 with 11 knockouts as boxer and trainer. Hard left hand from Gassiev, and then he digs one downstairs at the summit up in Big Bear.
But
He's looking to employ a similar type of strategy throughout his career. And impressive from Usyk once again, non-stop.
he just boxed really well. He's boxed so well, and he's made Gassiev look off.
Oleksandr Usyk flowing as freely as mercury. Second clapper not audible, and Oleksandr Usyk gets on his bike. Oleksandr Usyk.
Far away from we are. He's memorably beat Lennox Lewis back in 2001.
Getting low with that left hand.
And another one. Oh, and he's caught him with the left to the jaw, followed by the right hand, and he goes down.
So that should close up shot like that and walk onto Dubois, blocking it through. If you can take it on his hand.
Great shot, right hand he was to his feet, but the referee
Drops his hands and uses his legs to good effect. Usyk, the role that he took part in was terrific. Police force. Usyk working behind the left jab. Good left cross here, both rounder. Each man has gone to 12-round occasions. It looks as though we're heading for that juncture tonight. Usyk just straying low with the constant shots that he tried. Going now, fully on display here between these two athletes with perfect records and champions. And still, both men punching right up until the final bell. What a fantastic contest we have just...
Oleksandr Usyk. Do it through boxing, that's the point. Hello. Well, he certainly... And he's out! Solid just to announce himself in this fight, but that's a right hand from Dubois. It was body shots with the left hand, the gloves came down. There's still a minute to go in this opening round, and Dubois going looking for him, and he goes again. And is the referee going to allow it?
Launches counter. Here's the lead left hook followed by it. Just coming from Oleksandr Usyk. Left hand success, and then a snaking underhand left. Hook in with the momentum of such. Totally vulnerable position, but it appears to me as he's put under pressure, punching from Oleksandr stairs, then working the body. Hook, bobbing and weaving. Hold on, but instead he's only covering up. Bobbing and weaving. That left hand to the body caused him to wilt. Again, he's trying to roll out of the corner. Uppercut ripping through the middle. Robert Bird poised and Hook. All of his strength being put to the test. Usyk working away furiously. Shots underneath. Robert stepped in and has waved it off.
De Ricardo Snyder de aplicar un hook de izquierda abajo, y ya lo ha notado el holandés, que se va a la lona y tiene que escuchar la
mano. Y Dubois, que tiene prisa por lo que estamos viendo, trata de acelerar las acciones.
Un poquito, pero está sacando la artillería pesada Daniel Dubois, el boxeador de Greenwich, y salimos al segundo asalto. Cómo saca las manos, con qué contundencia, está tocando abajo y arriba.
Salto.
Все-таки кожного свій шлях. І зараз оптимізує. Идет развить атаку. Установка есть, чтобы не спешить. И снова удар по корпусу. Школа Анатолия Николаевича Ломаченко тяжелее. Он адаптировался. Може навіть так. Ну і зараз публіка реагує бурхливо просто таки на вдалі атаки. Прошел. Це перемога. Хоча угол мексиканця...
effectively cost Daniel Dubois psychological barriers that he's going to have to come through. He'll have sparred, of course, extensively in the ring, but now he's looking to unload in this opening round. Shane McGuigan. The idea is that oh, that's a good right hand, and Dinu goes down, landed flush. That's on his knees.
New WB holds.
And a left hook. Down goes Cusimano. Early in his career. Dubois right uppercut clips Cusimano. A barrage of blows. Dubois just detonated the bomb. Welcome to America.
Daniel.
I mean, that's an accuracy for a cruiserweight.
Yes.
6'2+ guy.
Southpaw with an unimpeded left counter shot, but that's all right.
7. How you feel?
A day after mine, started with some of the best.
Usyk doing some good body work in this round.
Yes.
And Capricorn in this fight has knocked him to the second time.
So there's the second official knockdown, and the score margin.
He had him surrounded, and Mchunu said, "Let me get down here before."
Of the fight in the last 20 or 30 seconds. After going down for the second time, and there's Bisu Mchunu.
It's a very impressive performance.
На високому рівні, тобто вся дистанція. Превосходный левый боковой через руку. И это первое падение до конца этого раунда. Еще одно падение. Станет ну что, добьет или нет? Вот главный вопрос, наверное, этого раунда. Жесткий блок. Прячется за блоком Мюллер. И Инга Барабас не выдерживает и останавливает.